Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. And my dogs are moving the camera. Let's go ahead and begin. All right, so the top questions. What are the top 9 things I should do to get approved for Social Security disability benefits? Let's go ahead and look. I made a little list, which is kind of uncommon for me. It was from the other night because I got tired when I got to number 8. Let's go ahead and go through it. Work. If you're earning over... All right, so what are the top things I should do to get approved? If you are working and earning close to $1,260 during 2020, then guess what? You are not disabled because you are earning SGA, which is substantial gainful activity, which means under their system for disability benefits for both SSI and SSDI, you're not disabled. Okay. Next thing, number 2, specialists. Make sure you go see multiple specialists specifically for your impairments. Why? Because when they send you to their CEME, consultative examination, or medical expert, that person is a specialist, and if you have a specialist, these two can cancel each other out. You need another one that's on your side. You need 2 proclaimant specialists for their usually, I have to put the disclaimer in there, SSA-based biased specialist. Number 3, 5-step sequential process. Just go learn what the 5-step sequential process is. Learn the elements for disability law. Online scrub. Scrub your online presence. I don't want to see pictures of you riding horses. I don't want to see pictures of you being held up by a mermaid. All that good stuff. Next thing, record up to date. Make sure you continuously keep your record up to date because you never know when they're going to actually do their adjudication because it's the federal government. They're busy. They'll pull your file, they'll work it, they'll put it away. They'll pull your file, they'll work it, they'll put it away. Update it. Next thing, no drugs or alcohol or tobacco. So, unless you have a green card to smoke marijuana for medical purposes, or it is allowed in your state, or whatever, and don't be enjoying it on the record. A lot of you guys will have an issue. You'll have a mental issue. Baker Acts. Boom. UA. Urine analysis. Blood test. Yay. They'll find it in your system. So, just do me a favor. Be aware you're going to have an emergency at some point, and they'll catch it in your system. That's what always happens. Next one, taking meds as prescribed. Do not tell your doctor about the concoction, unless it's the truth, in which I hope you figure out what I'm getting at here, that you are mixing your medication, what's left of it from what you sold, with, sleeping medication, drowsy medication. You're going to sip a little bit of that nighttime Dayquil relief. Don't make a concoction and then tell your doctor about it because it invalidates you as prescribed utilizing the medication in a proper way that would traditionally potentially cure or lessen your impairments, right? That's, one of those things kind of hurts your claim if you're not using the medication as prescribed, just important. Let's put it this way. Let's say that you had medication, and the medication was called lawn darts, right? And the judge is sitting there going, well, is this person taking this seriously? Are they trying to follow the prescribed thing? And you're throwing those lawn darts at windows, and you're throwing those lawn darts at houses, and, as opposed to just, utilizing them as their non-existent warning label should have said they should be used. Yeah, in that regard, the judge is going to be sitting there going, no, this person has not given traditional Western medicine the basic foundation for which it would need to go ahead and be successful. Next thing, of course, my phone always cuts off. I'm using the list because I'm tired and yada yada. Getting in forms in a timely manner. Yeah, a lot of you guys get technical denials because you like to just not submit forms, or you have some sort of like, oh, I don't want to work on it, I don't want to work on it right now. That's fine, whatever. Just get it in within the time period. I don't care if you do a horrible job. They'll send you another one and say you did a poor job. But get it in on time. Do the best you can, get it in on time. If you need help, find somebody that'll help you. Understand it's a long process, so learn. All right, that's number 9. Number 9, then we'll do the top 10. Number 9. This is an incredibly detailed process that does not... So it's the only field of law that requires every aspect of every category of evidence to be utilized. We want your crim law. We want your financial. We want your academia. We want your medical. We want your administrative. We want your legal. We want every category of evidence that exists to show that you are impaired. It's the only area of law. Crim law doesn't require all of that. Personal injury, not even close. Maritime law, I don't know why I brought that up. So the point is, it requires in disability law more categories of evidence than any other law I can think of. So just keep in mind, with all those categories of evidence, there must be a reason for them. Learn, so that you can figure out how to prove that you are the severely impaired person that which you claim you are. All right. Now we're going to do the top 10 after this video. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you want the most up-to-date information, you want a hug, you want a video made about a particular topic that can go on this list, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call, and we will go from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.